Introducing Swot, the ultimate online learning platform that connects tutors and students like never before. Our two-way screen sharing tool and multifunctional whiteboard, SwotZone, features a crisp, clear video conferencing area and allows users to simultaneously create and work in familiar documents such as Word and Excel. It even allows you to upload any document or images onto a whiteboard. Use it to brainstorm new ideas, visually demonstrate concepts, or observe students completing tasks in real time. Switch seamlessly between video conference, screen share, freeform whiteboard, or your Word and Excel documents, all within one SwotZone window. The best part? All work completed in the SwotZone can be downloaded. Users can also take screenshots of their work in progress if desired. Swot is here to give tutors and individual learners, or even small groups, a safe and secure learning environment that promises to bring out the brilliance inside each student. Sign up for free today at www.swot.zone and join the zone, or download our app on Apple Store or Google Play Store.